What is up, everyone? It's your boy Rock Dollar, rolling with Nutrigrain. We're here today taking our junker fix and flip scooters that have been fully restored out for their ride. And it's a long overdue ride. See, I give you a little backstory. Back when COVID hit, we stopped getting work in February, and we had to come up with a way to make a little extra money. So we prayed about it and scoured Craigslist incessantly until we came across these two wonderful scooters. The first one is the Motorino here. I bought that for $300. This bad boy was in real rough shape, as you've seen in the earlier video. And then shortly thereafter, we got the Honda Spree. Honda Spree it was the bigger challenge of the two. This one was a full restore, but sprung to life quite easily. However, the Spree is a lot of in and out. So for the Motorino, we did a valve job on it, or made and installed this plastic plate here for a missing body panel. Got mirrors for it, and basically it needed a new pickup coil so that it could tell when to send a spark. Yeah, I think I said valve job. Just a bunch of stuff. Carb needed to be completely cleaned multiple times. And so yeah, and we had to replace the brakes, the reservoirs, and all that fluid. Got swapped out and bled and all that. This body panel was shattered down here. I don't know if it's showing up, but we totally rebuilt that using ABS cement and gave it a nice new paint job down there, and replaced all the locks and ignition. Yep, thank you. The Spree, now the Spree was definitely a bit of a challenge. The Spree, let's see, it needed the carb torn apart many times to get it right. The jet on that thing is pretty tiny. This one's got a much smaller idle jet. It is like a absolute, I can't even say a pinhole because a pin won't even fit through it. But the Spree, we did that, and then we had electrical gremlins all over the place. And so yeah, had to do that, and got a regulator rectifier and put it in, figuring that might be part of the problem while we're not getting voltage to the battery. And in doing so, we actually received a defunct one, and that one was, you know, kind of difficult to pin down, but eventually we did a bunch of troubleshooting and found out that it was burned out. So we got another one, it sprung to life. We put blinkers on it, and there's a whole bunch of fixing up, because that thing was rough. But anyways, they're both up and running now, and we're happy to show them. So here we are, we're gonna kind of pop down in here. This is how we get in. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of take her over here to the grass. These things off-road great. Wasn't like the ones in Hawaii. There's my beautiful wife Nutrigrain coming in on the also delightfully small Spree. Installed the LED headlight in it because I burned out the original one, and they're sealed. You can't just simply replace a bulb. Yeah, so here, why don't we just walk around them here real quick. Hopefully the ground's not too soft. So yeah, there's the new seat on the Motorino. New seat cover, I should say. Got it all polished up, and yeah, runs like a champ. Drives beautifully. It's a really sharp machine. I'm impressed with it. For a Chinese scooter, it's pretty impressive. Oh, and countless light bulbs were replaced too. The Honda Spree, you know, definitely a lot of work. The case had to be drained on the gear in the bottom there. I don't know if it's a transmission or what. But yeah, lots of back and forth, tearing down the carb and whatnot, and got the, I just love that. It's like a cassette tape. So you know it's from 85. Got the fuel gauge working. Yeah. Has blinkers now and they look good. It's cool. I didn't go for the original OEM, so it's a bit of a resto mod. Those blinkers down there are like huge. It's like giant, you know, brownies sitting off the side of it. So I went for the more European design spree look with the headlights, and it's so ostentatious to have done that that we actually have them that way already on the Motorino stock. So it just goes to show that that brownie taillight thing just, or brownie blinker thing just doesn't look good. It does. It's like two huge brownies right down here. So yeah, they both run great. The Motorino's a 150, the Spree is a 50, and yeah, they're purring. So yeah, we bought these to sell them and make some money, and they are ready for sale.
Sold.
So victory ride complete.
So yeah, these scooters turned out really good. I gotta give it up to Rockdala here for all his hard work. Yep. Lots of knuckle busting and sweating and back aching and wrenching and wondering and internet surfing and troubleshooting, and yeah, I mean, no small feat, let me tell you. Especially when you think it's just like a one or two little things that are wrong. There's a lot more than that. You just don't know it yet. And man, they came out good. Gotta keep it, you know, a little legit, right? To our roots. Alright. Oh, okay. Oh, you went this way, that's right. See, we're doing a little off-roading today, folks. It's just not our normal off-riding.
Yeah, the time and travel delays, the broken parts being sent to us delays. The blinkers were their own saga for the Spree. I mean, it was ridiculous. Ordered them off eBay, got 3 instead of 4, went to Amazon, bought them, they were broken, bought them again. I mean, every part of the Spree was a saga. But yeah, it's running now, and I mean, the thing's from 1985. I mean, it's just ridiculous. It's so ridiculously 80s. I love it. I mean, we both are a fan of the 80s. Who isn't? I mean, Ghetto Blasters, come on.
Yeah, I can get around.
Yeah. So yeah, good to have them out. And hope y'all like this video. I hope you like the way they turned out. Like I said, another project in the works. When that bad boy pops, it's gonna be serious drooling fodder for you to watch. I know, we haven't, we just stare at it all the time, where it's at. But yeah, we'll keep trucking along here, and you know, appreciate y'all watching, and stay tuned for more riding action. Peace out.